Hello YouTube. This is my update on my battery bank. As you can see, I have 3 huge battery bank. It's 55 amp hour battery. 2 is UPS battery and 1 Enco car battery. They say it's not good to mix match a battery, but here in Manila it's very expensive. So we don't have enough budget, so every time I bought a battery I had a setback, so I have to wait for another till the budget comes in so I can finish my other project for my solar system. So here is, we're running an inverter today, but the inverter is directly connected to the battery bank. It's a total of 200 amp hour battery. As you can see, there is the battery. So we are running a computer. The computer is connected to the inverter. They're watching trailer. They're watching YouTube Frozen in different language. Let It Go in different language. Here is the solar fan. It's a velocity fan. I mounted it on the window so it will act as a exhaust fan. But since we need more air here, because there is the roof, it's very hot, so instead of being an exhaust fan, we blew the air inwards because it's not really sunny today. And here's the wall fan that I made. It's oscillating right now, and it's blowing. So here is the computer. It's been running for since 8 o'clock and still going. So I'm waiting for the inverter to shout that it needs to be the battery needs to be charged, but it's 4 hours already and we're running everything, and we're running here computer, a velocity fan and a wall fan, and beside that we are running a induction fan. This is an AC fan, but it is no way connected to any grid power. It's connected to the inverter. So it's really hot here. So here is the box fan that I made. It's off right now because nobody is inside this room, so turned it off. This is what I've been telling you. It's very hot in here, so it's very hot in the Philippines, so I'm making lots of fans. Yeah. Here is the next velocity, the next box fan that I made. I pre-mounted it, but I'm not very happy with it right now because the fan blade is hitting this part when it runs on full speed, but when it on slow speed it clears the distance. I wanted it to be very small, so I made a small braces, but it turned out that it is too tight. So the blade is hitting this upper portion, so I'm gonna tear this one down and make another body for that. And I'm planning to make the air oscillate by putting pins here, so it will move back and forth. Back and forth, left to right, sorry. The air will move from left to right. I'll put some pins here, 4 pins, and I'll add a stepper motor to this one, so the pin will go this way and this way, so the air will oscillate. Or if I get lucky enough, I'll go to a nearest junk shop, so I'll look for a oscillator of the box fan. If I get lucky enough and found some of that, I'll put that. I think I'll put it here and one there, so hope I get lucky enough. And this is the solar box fan. It's quite dirty. The person who's using it doesn't really want to clean up. Yeah. So you see I'm all sweaty because it's very hot in here. I did not turn the box fan on. Now I will. Here is the low setting. High setting. I'm getting cold.